If you're considering a DIY bathroom remodel for your Warrenton, Virginia home, before tackling this monumental task, evaluating the risks involved is crucial to make an informed decision. A lack of expertise can likely lead to expensive mistakes. Remodeling requires extensive knowledge and advanced skills. Even minor errors can lead to water damage, mold growth, and hazards. A DIY bathroom can take several months, especially if you have a full-time job and other responsibilities. A qualified professional can complete the job in a fraction of the time, giving you peace of mind knowing it's completed correctly. Experienced professionals understand local Fauquier County building codes, ensuring your bathroom remodel is compliant. Inexperienced DIYers often skip the details, leading to potential fines and unexpected adjustments. A poorly executed DIY bathroom remodel can lower the value of your home, but trusting a qualified professional like Miller Home Improvements will ensure everything is completed to the highest possible standard. Plus, with a professional bathroom remodel, you get the added benefit of warranties on labor and materials, ensuring your financial investment is protected. For the best possible bathroom remodel in the Northern Virginia area, you need Miller Home Improvements. To schedule a free quote, call us today at 571-274-0513.